You don't get any extra car sets for this race, so let's be smart out there.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Street stocks in the desert out in Arizona at Phoenix International Raceway. This is a 1 mile track with about 10-degree banking, so you call this a high-speed flat track. You're hard on the accelerator and you float out of the accelerator into the corners, not really any braking. I kind of like Phoenix Air. We were here about a season or two ago here in the street stocks, the Tour Mod and the SKs, I believe. So I kind of like this track. I've been on it a lot. Have some pretty good experience here. I'll tell you, this last couple weeks has just been a hell of a last couple of weeks. I have lost my A rating because of so many wrecks and so many incident points. That's okay. I don't run the Cup cars that often, but I am also now in danger of losing my B license, which would eliminate me from running the Xfinity NASCAR series. And while I don't own a lot of their tracks, and there's some tracks coming up here in the next few weeks that I'd like to take a shot at some of those races. And so anyway, my strategy here is I'm in the number 11 car, 12 car field. I am the dead last car. I'm just going to ride around, try to pump up my SR. Whatever I gain due to wrecks and attrition, that's just fine with me. All right, so let's get this thing going. Coming down, I'm just hanging back.
Boss man, pace cars off. Go out, kick some ass, have some fun. Green flag.
Green flag. Just going to hang back and turn some laps and see what happens here. Street stocks have been pretty rough lately, so let's see if we can even get through turn 1. Hot damn, we actually can, it looks like. All right, what about turn 2? So far, so good.
You know what, see it, you see it, you see it, you see it. See on the bottom.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Jesus Christ. Are you kidding me?
See if the grits are better, Stouser. Might be having some transmission issues.
You dumb son of a... Okay.
Pit road is open.
I'm coming around. The best thing I can do now is, you know, come in, get some minor repairs, and, you know, just... And then my engine blows. Okay, well, that's my day. Let's look at some slow-mo here. A guy was lamenting the other day about this on another race. Guys, when you wreck, stay on the fucking brakes. Look at this car. Comes completely almost across the entire track. My spotter's staying low. I have a car to my left of me. I don't know how far he is to my left of me. This all happens in a blink of an eye. And the 3 car just lazily, kind of off the brake, just la 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 la, drifting across the track, idle speed. If he had stayed up by the wall, I would have missed him clearly. I mean, I was committed to the low. Once he came down to the middle of the track, there was nothing I could do. I couldn't change my line back up. Guys, when you're in a wreck, stay on the fucking brakes. Let the people clear you. The spotters are calling out one way or the other. And when you drift across the track like that, just off the brakes and coasting, it fucks up everybody's day. All right, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thanks for coming along for this very short ride, and we'll see you next time.